Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the Ninja Foodie Dual Zone. That is a 2-basket air fryer. All right, folks, how we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, we're going to go over this brand new product that I got for the kitchen, the Ninja Foodie. This is a 2-basket air fryer. And that's all the craze these days, you know, is air frying your food, eating more healthy. It is December here in Georgia, and we have New Year's resolutions to make. And it's going to be dieting and eating cleaner or less fried foods. So we're going to go with the Ninja air fryer. Pick this up off of Amazon. It's actually pretty big. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to put it in the kitchen yet. But this particular model, it includes 6 programmable cooking functions. It's easy to use control panel with dual zone technology features. Dual 4-quart cooking basket. So this one has the 2 cooking baskets here. Provides 8-quart total capacity, perfect for 2 different foods or large batches. So you can essentially do a meat and a vegetable with this particular air fryer all at the same time. Now it's also got a non-stick crisper plates that allows hot air to get under the food for all around crisping. So let's go ahead and pop this guy out of the box, see what it looks like, see what the size is in comparison. Now, if you guys have seen some of our other videos, we love to barbecue here at the house. So we are all the time grilling and barbecuing. This looks like owner's manual, warranty information, what to do, what not to do, and a cookbook. That's cool. Put that over here. There we go. Looks really, really nice. It's got the plug. Actually, it's a little smaller than I thought it was going to be based on the size of the box. This we have our display with all of our buttons and our interface. It's also got the stickers on the side that kind of teach you how to use it a little bit. I'm sure after a while you can peel those off. No problem. Oh. Got tape on the sides. Nice big cooking tray there. That's rather large. That's plenty of food for 2 people. That's kind of what we were worried about, is making sure that we could cook a meat and a vegetable at the same time with the air fryer, or and at least feed 2 people. So yeah, super happy about that. Vents and everything are on the back, so that's good. You don't want to put this directly up against the wall, right? You need to create airflow. It says right here on top, do not block vents. So a quick overview of the control panel here on the Ninja Foodie. We have your power, start, stop, temperature, and time. Now I imagine how this works is, in order to set it, you would either go basket 1, basket 2, then temperature, then time. These are the different cook settings that are available: air broil, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, and bake. Now on the side here, it's going to show you a little bit about how to use the match cook mode. And the match cook mode is right here. So the match settings across zones to double capacity. So basically what you would do with the match cook mode is you match both cooking pans would be the same temperature, right? You're cooking at the same temperatures, airflow, that sort of thing. Now, single zone cooking would be just cooking this at a certain temperature and then this at a different temperature, or just cooking one or the other. The sticker on the other side discusses the smart finish mode. So 2 different foods, 2 different ways, finished at the same time. So you can time both cooking pans up to make sure that they're both done at the same time. As you can see here, there's a little diagram that says for fish, 13 to 17 minutes on 400, whereas vegetables, 10 to 15 minutes at 390. Chicken, 28 to 32 minutes on 390, and broccoli on 390 for 15 to 17 minutes. For steak, 14 to 18 minutes on 390, and French fries on 400 for 28 to 32 minutes. And lastly, looks like a pork chop, got a little pig there. 23 to 27 minutes on 390, and on 400, that looks like Brussels sprouts, 20 to 25 minutes, 1 pound per zone. Quick overview of the paperwork that you get with Ninja Foodie. Basically a warning, do not place appliance on hot surfaces near a hot gas or electric burner, in heated oven, or on a stovetop. This is going to be your owner's guide. 2-basket air fryer. Now, a lot of times these are really thick, and the reason they're thick is because they're in a bunch of different languages. So there we go, about 10 pages or so in English that discusses how to use this product. Comes with a quick start guide. This is nice. That gives you the opportunity to just plug in and go. Again, it discusses the match cook, where you match both pans. Also smart finished, where you can have 2 pans that take 2 different times to be cooked and complete at the same time. Using dual zone technology, using a single zone. So I really like the flexibility of this. You can use both at the same time. You can use one. You can cook 2 different things. You can cook the exact same thing in both of them. So there's a lot of flexibility when it comes to what you can do with the Ninja Foodie. Pausing and ending the cook times. Comes with an air frying chart. That's nice, and it's got everything here: asparagus, beets, bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, all your vegetables, poultry, fish, seafood, frozen foods, pork, and beef. So everything is outlined in the quick start guide as far as the temperature you need for the setting, how to prepare, so toss in oil or not toss in oil, and how to set it up on single zone or dual zone. So that is really, really neat. Also, the dehydrate chart. I use a dehydrator. It's an old dehydrator that I've had for years, but still works. Use it all the time. But I'm going to be able to use this to dehydrate and make beef jerky. So we're definitely going to do some of that because I love making beef jerky. So that's great. Quick start guide makes things super easy to get started. And this is the Ninja Foodie Kickstarter recipes. So this is just a quick and easy recipe to get you started with the Ninja Foodie. And there we go. The Ninja Dual Air Fryer Ninja Foodie. Thanks for checking out the video. Y'all stay tuned. I'm going to make some meals and do some other demonstrations, make some videos with this product. So be sure to follow, stay tuned, and y'all take care.